Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash. And today's video is made with regards to your previous comments in my previous videos of solving the TextNow sign up problems, such as this video here. Uh, you guys have commented that you are still unable to solve the TextNow sign up problems, and you guys have asked for me for solutions. So for folks who do not know about our channel, we specialize in solving the problems of tech related content, and we have posted a lot of videos to solve the TextNow problems. We explained each and every TextNow error, and we have posted separate videos too in order to solve those errors. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to receive real-time updates of the problems and the and about the tech industry. Okay, so right now, if we take about TextNow, first of all, I brief the problems. There are 4 updates. Okay, I mean there are 4 problems. This problem started with the TextNow update of 2023. Okay, so this video is to solve the TextNow is unavailable in your country error. So like this, there are 4 errors. This is the TextNow is unavailable in your country error, which I showed you in the video previously. This error is your account has been disabled error. This error occurs when you have successfully made an account, but when your account gets disabled within 2 or 3 days because of violating the terms of use. You would have not done anything to violate the terms of use, but still they disable your account, and even if you submit an appeal, you would not receive an reply, or you would not be able to get your account back. The next error is the area code error. After this error comes after successfully signing up an account, and when you are going to choose a local phone number, you would receive this error. Okay, the fourth and final error is this is the first error which occurs actually according to the order. This is when you try to install the TextNow application from the Play Store, you get an error like this. This app isn't available on Google Play in your region, as this TextNow application is only available in the US, Canada, and UK. So if you are outside any of these regions, you won't be able to install this application. This video speaks more about the not this video, but the video I'm showing you in the screen, that is the TextNow latest update of 2023. I actually posted a separate video depicting you the information which contains information regarding the TextNow's latest update of 2023. If you want to learn more about the TextNow and its corporation and its applications and the reasons why this error occurs, just go watch this video. I hope it will be helpful for you guys. Now I'll just give you a walkthrough of the TextNow application. Once you install this application, you would be asked to sign up or log in. This is the application over here. TextNow application enables us to, they give us free unlimited calling and texting along with our own phone number. It's like an eSIM, but we would need internet to access it. Okay, so the local calls between the US, Canada is going to become little different. The international calls are somewhat cheaper. That's how they advertise their things. Okay, there is TextNow SIM card too, which is available in the US and Canada. You can just go check it out on the internet, or you can just go watch my video about the TextNow update, and you get all the information regarding to it. Okay. Previously, TextNow was not only used for the local calling and texting; it was also used to make WhatsApp accounts and other social media, WhatsApp and Telegram accounts. As you can see, this is an account which is made from a virtual number, but this account is not made from the TextNow application. This number is actually made from another different application. If you want to learn more how to make social media accounts, even now today I made this application. It's not even been a month, I guess, since I made a WhatsApp and Telegram account using this number. If you want to learn more about this, that is a separate video showing you guys how to do it, and this video's link will be in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the comment so you guys can just go check it out. Okay, now in this video I'll not be explaining guys how to solve all the 4 errors. If you need a detailed walkthrough showing you hands-on solving experience about all the 4 errors which I showed you previously, the screenshots which I showed you previously, you would need to go watch this video. This video's link I'll leave it in the description and the first comment, and this video's link will be the first link in the comment. This is a very important video which helps you solve all the problems regarding and related to TextNow. Got it? This video actually covers you guys to how to solve all the problems starting from the TextNow installation error in the Play Store, then the sign up error, then the area code error, and how to recover your disabled account. Okay, this video covers all of it, and it will also give you hints about how to make virtual numbers. How to make social media accounts using virtual numbers. Now, a lot of you folks comments were about the TextNow is not working. I would need to make calls to the US and Canada, but I need to do it for free, and I would also need to make social media accounts using virtual numbers. So what is the ways to do it? That was your question. So I'm here today to answer your questions. Okay, if you have watched this video until this part, then it's going to be a special moment for you. I'll be answering the most asked questions, so do not skip any part of this video. The part before this was already told in my previous videos. It was not that important too, but the part which I'm going to tell after this has not been told in any of my videos, so remember to watch this video until the end. Okay, number one, what I'll be explaining you guys how to make the social media account. So this was a problem, how to make social media accounts using TextNow. So watch this video, but if you still do not understand the best way in order to make social media accounts using virtual numbers is to use other applications other than the TextNow. Yes, there are a lot of other alternatives and which are better than TextNow too. I have actually posted a video showing you guys the 10 best TextNow alternatives for 2023. You can just go check it out too. This video's link will also be in the description and the first comment. Even if it's not there, it's going to be in the TextNow playlist. Okay. So with this, I have told you how to make the social media accounts. Okay, the best thing to do is just don't use TextNow. You could use other fantastic applications other than TextNow to make the social media accounts. With this, one of our questions is over. The second question: how to make free unlimited calling within the US, Canada, and you guys use it for cold calling and etc. I got a comment which requested me to post a video on cold calling. I am planning to post a video on that, so just wait. I'll try to post it as soon as I can. There are few videos in the line which I would have to post. I would answer each one of your questions one by one. Okay, so please wait. For cold calling, what you could do is that even though you use the other alternatives to TextNow, like I have this one alternative over here, it's known as Text Plus. This doesn't actually give you unlimited calling features like TextNow and Second Line, I guess, but okay, if you want cold calling, you could try the WhatsApp cold calling. The next is that the eSIM, you can try to get it, but if it's still not possible and you are so fixated on TextNow, the Second Line, all you have to do is that follow all the steps which I have told you to solve the problems in this video. So all I would have to say is this video is the link. This video is everything that you have to watch. Okay, this video actually, if you have a specific error in any page, this video actually explains you where to go and solve the error. Okay, suppose if you are facing error in the installation process, that is the first error, it will give you a video's link, and by watching that you will be able to solve the error. Okay, so it's going to be helpful for you and it's going to be helpful for you. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video did not mean much to you, but it's still, if I have to say something, do not use TextNow. But if you are so fixated and want unlimited calling like cold calling, use the TextNow, or better, buy the TextNow accounts for cheap. Okay, there are other applications to buy social media accounts. There are few people who sells the virtual numbers for a very cheap price. For $1 they sell it. They sell a number for $1. Just imagine, you get to keep your number permanently and you get the number for $1. Just go buy it. It's the best option that you could do. If you do not want to spend any more money, or if you just want to live your entire life free, then you'd have to reconsider a few things. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, just go click on subscribe button, the bell button, it is subscribe button. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to purchase those accounts, I am not personally selling these kinds of accounts, but do message me via Telegram or mail me. I check my mail regularly and I reply to all my mails. So just go uh, to my about section. Wait, just go for any video, just go click here, and if you click on my channel over here, you would be shown this page. Here click on the about. I'm doing it in mobile. It's going to be the same for the systems too. Here as you can see, there is my Telegram, and you would be able to contact to my Telegram over here. And here I'll add my mail too, so feel free to message me, contact me, and I'll be able to help you to solve all the problems. Now what are you waiting for? Just click on the thumbs up button below, yeah, and leave your comments in the comment section, and if you have any suggestions, leave it too there too. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video until the end. I hope it was helpful. I'll try to post a video daily. Right now a week's content is loaded, so just wait and watch all the videos. So let's meet again in the next video, that is tomorrow. Until then, bye.